Hey, what is up? So it's been a minute and I haven't even shared a video yet of how to put together your Princess Kamala Minifig. I've just been so busy. So this is the first chance that I've had. I'm actually hanging out with James right now. We are about to get on a plane to go to Los Angeles. And I finally have time, so I'm gonna show you how to put this together. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you may have some questions about some of these pieces. Here we go, Princess Kamala. We're gonna tear this open here. Here is all the goods right here. Look at all this fun stuff. Now, most of the figure is kind of put together here. You can choose, there's actually two different expressions. Looks like the one on here is a little bit more, that's happy Kamala. This one is concerned Kamala. We're gonna go with happy Kamala here. Now, there's two different ways that you can do the head or hair. One is you can put on the hair like so. Look at that dreamy hair. So great. Or you can put on, I guess I'll put it on this head here. You can put on the hood, and it's kind of like a golden hood, like so. I'm gonna go with the hair. I think the hair is pretty cool. Whoops. Then you've got the arms. Now the arms, if you look at the detail, look at that. It's got the cool gold on the arms there. It's so rad.
Lego doesn't have that.
No. So we're gonna get the first one in here. I'm having trouble. Maybe I need to put the arms on first. There we go. Click. Put the other one on here. Click. Put the head back on. Now, the hands pop in, and the hands go upward. Again, it's kind of a misconception with the Lego hands because your hand kind of goes up and it's kind of straighter on the bottom. So we're gonna add another hand in right here. Boom.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Very good. Then Kamala stands on this stand here. This is helpful so that she doesn't fall over. Kind of a nice little display.
Like she just did that.
Right? Now she has a laser taser, and it has like a blue electricity thing you'll see in the first movie. Can't wait for you to see it. So you can throw that right in here. She's got this little laser taser that she acquires. We'll see how she acquires it. Then this is a hologram of the Taj Mahal, right? And you can kind of hold it like this. She kind of can access these terminal readouts of the Taj Mahal. And there you go, there's your Kamala figure. Comes with an extra hand in case you break one. And again, it's got the extra expression and also the hood in case you want the hood up. I like it with the hair down, but either way, there is your Kamala Minifig. Rock and roll. This one's pretty easy to do. Soon we will have some other ones for you to check out. Can't wait. And more videos on the way. Thanks for hanging out with us, guys. See ya.